I'm hungry. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about how valuing yourself is going to help with you manifesting and choosing your outfit. Yeah, I just came up with that on the fly. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to make it real quick because I'm hungry. But I wanted to talk about value. I actually just got through doing an interview with Benji Bruce, and I'm so excited to bring that interview to you guys eventually. Probably tomorrow. We'll see if I get it edited. Anyways, but in that interview, we were talking about value and seeing yourself as value. That's also in turn going to bring you value. I think that made sense. So I wanted to talk about this because I see this a lot of times with people. And if you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner. I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and our experience. And I'm also a producer, and I host and I do things like that. And one of the shows that I host is Colorado's Grand Talent. It's a stay-at-home talent series, and we see such amazing talent. And one of the things we talk about when it comes to artists and performers and things like that, and people that are in the entertainment industry, is seeing your value. And I think it's important to talk about, because a lot of times, because especially when it comes to artists and performers, because you are the value, sometimes it's hard to exchange that energy of what you bring to the table and what you do as value. That it's hard for some people to see that as value and getting exchange for money and manifesting a career out of your passions. And something like when it comes to talent or your talent, that it's hard to make that a career. And I think that a lot of times, especially society tells us that artists and performers and stuff like that are pretty much, there's a saying, something about artists being broke, something like that. But I wanted to talk about the fact that you have to see yourself as value and how important that is, like living in your passion. And a lot of times when we're trying to manifest something, or we're trying to create a certain lifestyle for ourselves, we want to obviously live in our passion. We would love to do things that we are passionate about and that we're talented as, and I think that it's hard sometimes, because when something's so intrinsically in you that feels so natural to you, whether you're a singer, a comedian, whatever your talent is, something that feels so natural to you, it's hard for a lot of people, it's hard to want to make that a career and actually exchange your talent for money to establish yourself as a career, a brand, whatever the case is for you. We are almost taught as a society that your passions are just for fun, and your work and how you make your livelihood and where you spend most of your time is something that you hate. And it doesn't have to be that way. And it all starts with you believing enough in yourself and having confidence in yourself and knowing that you do bring value. And when you do know that you bring value, then that in exchange will bring value back to you. It's all energy. It's all an exchange of energy. So I know a lot of people don't probably think that money is energy, but it is. I think it's important to really cultivate a mindset behind your talents and your passions, that it is valuable, and that you can choose your outfit and you can live in your passion, because you do bring value to the world. And a lot of people don't believe that for themselves. And that's one of the things we were talking about in the interview, and how he was able to monetize his gifts and his talents and how important that is. It's a huge mindset shift. It's a huge mindset reset for a lot of people to actually see, because it's so natural to you. Whatever your talent is, whatever your passion is, it's so natural to you that you don't work so hard for it, that it feels hard to ask for money in exchange for something that comes so natural to you. And I think it's important to really shift your mindset off of that and actually know that you do bring value and you are deserving and worthy of that exchange for your life, for your livelihood, and you can live in your passion. I see a lot where people are so talented and they don't feel like they should be getting paid for that. And I'm like, why? And it's important because, and here's the thing that I said in the past, especially in past videos, when you can live in your passion, and actually live in your passion, okay? Like, live in your passion. When you can live in your passion, the whole world will be a better place. Because a lot of times with that road rage, people doing certain things, being mean and all of this negativity, is because people aren't happy with where they spend most of their time, you know? And if you can live in something that brings you joy, and if you can live in your passion, then we all benefit. Trust me, no more road rage. We all benefit. And so you have to come to a point to know that your talents and what you bring to this world, and even if you find joy in it, which is a great thing, it is valuable. You are valuable, and it's your birthright to live in your passion. So I just wanted to share that. I just wanted to do a quick video. I just got off that interview. It's an amazing interview. I know you guys are gonna love it. So look out for that. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. And like I said, I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit. I'm going to leave the link below for that if you want to learn more about that book. And you can find out more about me at ambermarieturner.com. But anyways, you guys, I would check you in the next video. Peace.